Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed State-of-the-Art Technology Center for CSSD, Blood Bank, Cleanroom and Cell Growth Equipment's OEM manufacture. Unit 1 for fabrication. Unit 2 for production and assembly. A fabrication unit where raw materials are transformed into finished or semi-finished products through various processes like cutting, bending, welding, and assembly. Assembly unit is a specialized workspace or machine designed for combining individual components into a finished product. Fiber laser cutting machines offer high precision, speed, and minimal heat-affected zones, making them suitable for intricate designs and delicate parts. CNC bending precisely bend sheet metal and tubes into desired shapes. A green power building uses electricity generated from renewable energy. Design team work collaboratively to bring ideas to life, encompassing areas like user experience, UX, user interface, UI, and visual design. Mechanical design, electronics PCB design and software for control automations. Mechanical fabrication is the process of creating mechanical parts or structures from raw materials by using various techniques like cutting, shaping, and joining. It involves transforming materials into finished or semi-finished products, often using tools and machines like welders, shears, and bending machines. CO2 incubator. Used to grow and maintain cell cultures by controlling temperature, humidity, and carbon dioxide levels. Biosafety cabinets, BSCs, are essential laboratory equipment used to protect personnel, products, and the environment from exposure to biohazards during routine procedures. ETO is used to sterilize a wide range of materials including heat-sensitive items, such as plastics. Ultra-low freezers temperature are used for the long-term preservation and storage of temperature-sensitive materials, particularly in research, medical, and pharmaceutical. Tabletop autoclave. CSSD equipment plays a vital role in maintaining the safety and sterility of medical instruments and ensuring patient well-being. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.